Okay, now that we know we are in the right course and we know which unit and what is available to us, we are going to check and see what our teacher has assigned to us. So, in order to find out what your teacher has given you to do specifically, we go to assignments. So if you click assignments, you will see all of the work that your teacher has given you to do. If you were if you want to specify your course, make sure you click your teacher's class. Okay, and then you can see. Now it says there are 6 assignments and 6 of them have not been done. So we are going to look at some of the assignments. Okay, so these are assignments that were assigned to us. So let's look at the grammar assignment and you click open. And here you have the assignment that you need to do. So we will do it together. You click the answer that you think is correct. All right, I think I've answered all 8. So I'll double check, make sure I have them underlined. Excellent. And then I will submit. Before I submit, there is a little light bulb here. This light bulb is to help you. Okay, if you're having some trouble, it gives you some hints and explains more of the concept. Here at the top, you have attempt and you have 2. So you can try this assignment out 2 times just in case you don't do a great job. All right, I am done. I'm going to click submit. And you automatically get your score. So I got 100%, 8 out of 8. Congratulations to me. And then I will exit because that is the assignment I had to complete. So now that I have done this assignment, remember before I had 6, now I have 5. So I still have 5 more to do. And that is it on how to find assignments and complete and submit.